Well, Wandering Canucks are in Monaco. We're staying at the Fairmont Hotel. We have a sea view room overlooking the Mediterranean. There's a fire truck on the pier firing off his fire hose. There's a fireboat with the fire hose going. And there's a little boat coming into the harbor. I don't know if this is in honor of them. Don't know if this is just a normal practice day in a firefighter's life. Just not sure what exactly is going on here. The boat doesn't look like it's going to go through the arc of water. Lots of people on that boat. I suspect the firefighters are just doing some type of a drill and had nothing to do with the boat that just coincidentally happened to come into the harbor. What are your thoughts? Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for more videos. We're the Wandering Canucks.